how to change Windows 11 startup sound. So that same sound that you hear all the time when you're just turning on your computer and when you're actually logging in into the Windows OS itself, you can actually change that sound. So maybe if you're not satisfied with the stock sound, you can change this. You can of course do this in a manual way, which is a little bit harder, but I just recommend using a very handy app that just does the job for us, and it's pretty easy to replace the sound with it. So the app is called Startup Sound Changer. You can just go ahead into the website. If Softonic is fine, and then you just re-download it for Windows right here. As you can see, this is a trusted program, no viruses guys, don't worry. Re-download for PC. Okay, now our app is downloaded, you can now open it up. So let's open it up. And as you can see, we can just install this app to our system. Next, decline all of the optional stuff, decline. And there you go, now you can run it. And now guys, as you can see, we can play our sound. There you go, so this is the original Windows 11 sound. If you're not good with it, just press on replace. And then in your pretty much PC, in your browser, in the file explorer, you just search for any other sound that you wish, right? So just simply anything, any sound file. It should be either WAV. Oh, it's only WAV, right? I thought MP3 was gonna be also the choice, but I suppose not. So you just choose the WAV file. Say, for example, you just type in WAV ringtones, like this. You go to the website, right over here, choose which one you want. You just click on it, and then you just download to your computer, and wherever you have it saved, once again, you navigate to your app right over here into the sound changer, and then just press on replace. And then in order to make sure that it's replaced, you press on play once again, right over here, and then you're sure that it's changed. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Only use this handy app and you're done and good to go. Enjoy, my friends. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.